Welcome back to Elite Estate Tour. Today we are stepping inside a mansion that completely redefines what ultra-luxury means in 2026. This is not just a home. This is a statement. A bold, dramatic, unapologetically powerful expression of wealth, vision, and architectural mastery. From the moment you see the exterior finished in deep obsidian tones with brushed gold accents catching the sunlight, you already know this property belongs to someone who doesn't follow trends, they create them. This billionaire mansion is a black and gold masterpiece, and trust me, you have never seen features like these before. As the private gates slowly open, you're greeted by a 400-foot illuminated driveway lined with perfectly sculpted hedges and embedded LED strips that glow in a soft golden hue at night. The driveway itself is crafted from polished black granite, subtly reflective, creating a mirror effect that makes the mansion appear as if it's floating. A custom-designed fountain sits in the center of the motor court, with water cascading over black marble tiers, illuminated from beneath by warm gold lighting. The sound of flowing water adds a calming contrast to the bold architectural presence of the home. The exterior facade is a striking combination of matte black stone panels, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, and gold titanium trim that outlines every major structural edge. During the day, the home looks sleek and mysterious. At night, hidden lighting systems transform it into a glowing palace, with golden beams highlighting its geometric design. This mansion spans over 32,000 square feet, with 7 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, and amenities that feel more like a 7-star resort than a private residence. We step through a 12-foot tall pivot door finished in black steel and brushed gold detailing. The door alone weighs nearly half a ton, but opens effortlessly thanks to advanced hydraulic engineering. As you enter the grand foyer, the first thing that takes your breath away is the double-height ceiling rising nearly 30 feet above you. Suspended in the center is a custom chandelier crafted from hundreds of hand-blown smoked glass pieces, each tipped with gold leaf. The chandelier cascades downward like liquid light, shimmering against the dark backdrop. The flooring in the foyer is a seamless slab of Nero Marquina marble with bold white veining, polished to a mirror finish. Embedded within the marble are thin strips of gold inlay forming geometric patterns that subtly guide your eye through the space. Directly ahead, a floating staircase appears to defy gravity. Each step is carved from solid black marble and edged with gold metal trim. The glass railing is nearly invisible, giving the staircase a sculptural, artistic presence. To the right of the foyer, we enter the formal living room. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame panoramic views of the city skyline, while automated black silk drapes can descend at the touch of a button. The living area is anchored by a custom-designed black velvet sectional sofa with gold thread detailing. In the center sits a low-profile coffee table carved from a single slab of rare black onyx, backlit from underneath to create a glowing golden effect. The walls are finished in textured black panels with subtle metallic flecks that catch the light. What truly sets this space apart is the invisible technology. The entire wall opposite the seating area transforms into a 200-inch microLED display. When turned off, it blends seamlessly into the wall's design. With a voice command, it becomes a cinematic screen with 16K resolution clarity. The sound system is fully integrated into the ceiling and walls, delivering immersive surround sound without a single visible speaker. Moving into the dining area, we find a table that seats 14 guests comfortably. The tabletop is crafted from black crystal quartz with veins of gold running organically through it. Above the table hangs a linear gold chandelier composed of suspended metallic rods, each individually adjustable in height to create a dynamic lighting sculpture. The dining chairs are upholstered in black Italian leather with gold-plated legs, creating a cohesive aesthetic that feels both bold and elegant. Adjacent to the dining room is the kitchen, and this is where things become truly futuristic. The cabinetry is finished in matte black lacquer with gold handles, custom designed exclusively for this property. The countertops are made from rare black granite, infused with microscopic gold particles that subtly shimmer under the lighting. A massive waterfall island serves as the centerpiece, complete with built-in induction cooktops that remain invisible until activated. Behind a hidden panel lies a fully equipped chef's kitchen for catering large events. This secondary kitchen includes commercial-grade appliances, dual ovens, industrial refrigeration, and a walk-in pantry. The primary kitchen features smart glass cabinetry that turns opaque or transparent depending on your preference. Even the faucet is gold-plated and equipped with touchless temperature control. Now let's head toward one of the most jaw-dropping features of this mansion, the indoor-outdoor infinity lounge. With a simple swipe on a wall-mounted tablet, the entire rear wall of the home slides open, seamlessly connecting the interior to the outdoor terrace. The infinity pool stretches across the width of the property, lined with black mosaic tiles that shimmer under the sun. The pool appears to spill directly into the horizon, creating a breathtaking visual effect. Inside the pool area is a submerged lounge platform with built-in gold-accented seating. At night, fiber optic lighting embedded in the pool floor creates a starry sky illusion beneath the water. Adjacent to the pool is a sunken fire pit lounge, surrounded by black stone seating with plush gold cushions. The fire pit itself burns with a clean, smokeless flame, reflecting beautifully against the dark materials. Let's move upstairs via the floating staircase to explore the private quarters. The primary suite occupies an entire wing of the second floor, spanning nearly 4,000 square feet alone. As we enter, we're greeted by a private lounge area with floor-to-ceiling glass walls overlooking the city. The bedroom features a custom-designed platform bed upholstered in black suede, framed by a gold canopy structure integrated with ambient lighting. Behind the bed, a feature wall of black marble extends from floor to ceiling, illuminated by hidden gold LED strips that emphasize its natural veining. The ceiling is finished with a soft matte black surface, embedded with tiny fiber optic lights that replicate a night sky. At the foot of the bed, a retractable 120-inch screen rises from the floor for private movie nights. The primary bathroom feels like stepping into a luxury spa. Dual floating vanities finished in black stone with gold vessel sinks sit opposite a freestanding black marble soaking tub. Above the tub hangs a sculptural gold pendant light. The shower is enclosed in frameless glass and includes multiple rainfall heads, body jets, and a built-in aromatherapy system. The floors are heated, and even the mirrors are smart-enabled, displaying weather, news, and calendar updates. One of the most unique features of this mansion is the two-story walk-in closet. Designed more like a high-end boutique than a closet, it includes custom black lacquer shelving with gold rods and display lighting. A spiral staircase connects the two levels, allowing access to an entire wall dedicated to luxury watches and rare accessories. In the center, a glass display island showcases jewelry collections under soft golden lighting. But we're just getting started. This mansion also features a private underground nightclub. Hidden behind a concealed door in the lower level, this space includes a DJ booth, programmable LED walls, a black mirrored dance floor, and a VIP lounge section. The ceiling is lined with moving light fixtures, capable of creating a full concert-style experience. The sound system rivals that of a professional music venue. Next to the nightclub is a state-of-the-art cinema room with tiered seating for 20 guests. Each seat is upholstered in black leather with gold trim and includes motorized recline functionality. The walls are acoustically treated with black velvet panels, and the ceiling features gold geometric accents that enhance both aesthetics and sound distribution. For wellness, this mansion includes a private spa and fitness center. The gym is equipped with the latest smart fitness machines that track performance metrics in real time. Adjacent to the gym is a sauna finished in dark cedar wood with gold accent lighting. There's also a steam room, cold plunge pool, and a massage therapy suite. Perhaps the most futuristic feature is the home's AI automation system. Every aspect of the property, from lighting and climate control to security and entertainment, is controlled through a custom-designed AI interface. Facial recognition technology grants access to specific rooms, while biometric security ensures maximum privacy. The garage is equally impressive, with space for 12 vehicles displayed on rotating platforms. The flooring is polished black epoxy with gold detailing, and the lighting is designed to highlight each car like a museum exhibit. As the sun begins to set, the mansion transforms. The black exterior becomes even more dramatic, while the gold accents glow warmly against the night sky. The infinity pool reflects the city lights, and the entire property feels like a futuristic palace suspended above the world. This billionaire mansion isn't just about size or price. It's about innovation, bold design, and an uncompromising commitment to luxury. Every detail has been meticulously curated to create an environment that feels both powerful and intimate. If you enjoyed this exclusive black and gold luxury home tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible properties right here on Elite Estate Tour. Because here we don't just show homes, we showcase dreams built at the highest level imaginable. And trust me, this is only the beginning.